Good morning and welcome to 5-Minute AI News. Today is Saturday, January 24th, 2026. We're here to give you the most important AI headlines in a quick conversational format.
That's right. Today we're talking about some major shakeups, including a legendary researcher starting a new venture and a big change to Tesla's autopilot. We'll also cover new tools for developers and the growing societal impact of these technologies. Let's jump right in.
Let's start with some big company news. Yann LeCun, one of the godfathers of AI, has reportedly left Meta to launch his own startup, AMI Labs.
That's a massive move. He's focusing on world models, which are AIs that learn to simulate and predict how the world works. His departure from a tech giant to pursue this foundational research signals a major shift in the AI landscape.
Meanwhile, OpenAI is seeing explosive growth. CEO Sam Altman reported their API business added over $1 billion in annual recurring revenue just last month.
$1 billion in a single month? That just shows the incredible enterprise demand for powerful AI models. They are solidifying their position as a commercial powerhouse, not just a research lab.
On a related note, a company building on that kind of tech, Tesla, is making a controversial change. They're discontinuing their standard autopilot feature and will now require a $99 per month FSD subscription for basic lane keeping assist.
So they're moving core safety-adjacent features behind a subscription wall. This is a big shift in their strategy, pushing for recurring revenue but potentially making some features less accessible for new buyers.
Switching gears to new tools and models, GitHub has released the Copilot SDK in technical preview. This allows any developer to embed the same agentic AI runtime that powers GitHub Copilot directly into their own applications.
This is a big deal for developers. It's essentially democratizing the ability to build sophisticated AI agents that can plan, use tools, and execute complex multi-step tasks. It standardizes how these agents get integrated into software.
And for those working with voice, Alibaba Cloud has open-sourced QN3 TTS. It's a suite of text-to-speech models that supports 10 languages, real-time streaming, and fine-grained voice cloning.
An open-source tool with that level of quality and low latency could be huge. It lowers the barrier for developers to add high-end, multilingual voice synthesis to their apps without relying on expensive proprietary services.
Let's talk about AI making an impact in the real world. DoorDash has deployed an AI system called SafeChat to moderate communications between drivers and customers.
And it's working. They report it's reduced low and medium severity safety incidents by about 50%. This is a great example of AI being used practically to enhance user safety and trust on a platform.
In another industry move, Serve Robotics, known for its sidewalk delivery bots, has acquired Diligent Robotics. Diligent makes Moxie, a robot assistant for hospitals.
That's a fascinating expansion, from outdoor delivery to indoor healthcare. It shows how a core AI autonomy platform can be adapted for different environments, helping to address labor shortages in critical sectors like hospitals.
Now for the more human side of things. Meta is pausing teen access to its AI characters globally for a safety review.
This seems like a proactive and necessary step. Amid growing regulatory pressure, they're reevaluating how to create age-appropriate AI interactions. It reflects a broader industry concern for the well-being of younger users.
And in a story that feels straight out of science fiction, Anthropic's own AI model, Claude, is consistently outperforming human applicants on their take-home hiring tests.
It's a wild paradox. An AI company is finding it hard to design a test that can distinguish top human talent from its own product. It really highlights the challenge of assessing skills when the tools are becoming this powerful.
Finally, in a very concerning development, the White House posted an AI-edited photo of a civil rights attorney to make it appear she was crying during an arrest, which was not the case.
That is a deeply troubling use of this technology for what appears to be political propaganda. It underscores the urgent threat of AI-driven disinformation and the ethical lines that are being crossed, even at the highest levels.
That story about the AI-altered photo is definitely the one that sticks with me today. It's a stark reminder of the social responsibility that comes with these powerful tools.
Absolutely. It moves the conversation from technical capability to real-world ethical consequences. That's all the time we have for today. If you enjoyed the show, please like, subscribe, and leave us a review on Spotify or Apple Podcasts. It really helps us out.
Thanks for tuning in to 5-Minute AI News. Have a great day.